Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Chat GPT widget on VIVO V30. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search, and now click install. Now you can click open and click this button to skip introduction, then click not now and click open permissions. Now you have to select AI assistant, and here you have to allow this app to display over other apps and then click back. Now click back again and click start. And as you can see right here there is my Chat GPT widget, and I can open him and I can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, simply drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.